This is one of the model answer for my previous video. So the topic here is describe a time when the internet helped you solve a problem. You should say when it was, what problem you faced, how the internet helped you solve the problem, and explain how you felt about it. In the real examination, you will get 1 minutes to think about it, and you have to speak for next 2 minutes without any break. So to start, this is a quite interesting cue card topic as I'll go ahead and talk about a time when the internet helped me solve a problem. It was about a couple of years ago when I went to visit my only aunt in a city of which I had very limited idea. And it was so because it was only the second time that I visited the city. The first time I visited it was almost 7 or 8 years ago when things looked a bit different in that very crowded and big city. For example, the streets got wider and many new shops and buildings were built. Besides, some of the businesses and shops moved to new locations as well, which I had no idea about. Of course, none of these would create any problem for me unless my aunt had asked me to buy her medicine from a particular pharmacy. Incidentally, she was an asthma patient and she used an inhaler of a certain foreign brand, which only a certain pharmacy in the city used to keep. I knew where the pharmacy was located, or at least so I had thought, since I visited the last time when I had come to see my aunt. But when I actually went to that location, I found out that the pharmacy has moved to a new location. I asked few people there, but unfortunately, nobody could tell me about it. Seeing no other option, I decided to get the help of internet on my smartphone, even though I was a bit skeptical about it. But luckily, as soon as I searched the pharmacy by its name on my phone, it gave me its address and the direction. Anyway, after finding the location of the pharmacy, I breathed a sigh of relief. After all, I didn't want my aunt to suffer because of my failure to find some pharmacy and buy her medicine. Besides, I felt a bit more confident and bold and also in roaming around the city since I had the help of internet. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.